Emergency alerts are being sent to tens of millions of mobile phones across the country, letting people know the UK has been attacked. This is what you would actually hear. The government in the real world introduced the alert system in 2023 when they ran a nationwide test. Another test is planned for this year. Like air raid sirens during World War II, it would be the modern-day sound of the UK at war, provided the mobile networks are still working. Imagine how that would feel to be woken before dawn by this sound and a message telling you that Russia has launched missile strikes against targets across Britain.
We understand that RAF jets are still airborne in case of further strikes. 2 people have died, but officials warn the toll will likely rise.
The government knows it needs to do everything possible to reassure the public and prevent panic, even as it struggles to rally NATO allies to help the UK fight back.
It has declared a state of emergency.
Okay. Before I address the nation, can we just make sure there are comms going out about reassurance, what we've been doing? The government has met, the government is talking to allies, just a running narrative to give people reassurance that we are active on their behalf and doing stuff, and just making sure that we are listening and we are available.
He asks Amber Rudd, as the Home Secretary, to liaise with the Scottish, Welsh and Northern Irish governments. He also needs her to speak with dozens of local resilience forums that played a key role during the COVID crisis, though none have experience of responding to war.